Hi again, welcome to another video. I thought it was about time I did a video, and this is going to be quite a brief one, but I haven't done a video for quite a while. Even though the channel's doing well, yeah, I haven't done a video for a good couple of months or so now. So this is just something just to say I'm still about. I've been so busy with day job. I still do the gardening. I've been so busy with that. I also repair lawnmowers now for people, and that's got really busy as well. So I've been really busy with that. No time to film anything really. I did do one job in the unit, and I'll show you a before and after of that. That was for someone else. It was a welding job, but I'll show you that. I did do a bit of footage. I planned to do a whole video of that to show some welding and that along the way, but it didn't happen. I was struggling because I was really stuck for time. So when I could get on it, I needed to just crack on. But yeah, there's a little bit of footage of that. And there's another addition. I got another moped, quite a nice one, this one. I'll do a separate video on that, like a little reveal type one of that. I have got to start that up. It's not running at the moment. It's been sitting around a while, but it is a nice one. So yeah, that's to look forward to. And I have got a motorbike in the shed. I've never revealed that. It's a nice one. That is a nice retro one. I will reveal that, but I've been doing some work on that. I haven't filmed any of that. And it's sort of a stop-start because lawnmowers and strimmers and chainsaws all keep coming in to repair. And yeah, I need to get them done. Yeah, that's about where I'm at the moment. My days are full. I need my own bit of time as well, which I'm actually just come back from the gym. I go there quite a lot now. Well, I say quite a lot. I'm feeling pretty good. New life for me, and I need to explore new things and everything. So I've tweaked a few bits, the work. Mainly I just do grass now, about 90% grass. Don't do much other stuff, even though I have been doing some hedges today, but I don't do much of them anymore. Dad did come and help me today, so that helped, but this channel ain't really about that side of things. And yeah, like I said, mower repairs and that. I may, as time goes on, if they ease down a bit, and I haven't got to get them done so quick, I may do some videos of fixing of the garden tools, but that'll be on the other channel. And I do more personal videos on the other channel as well. This one is just, I'll give you a little bit of personal stuff on this gym and my day job and everything, but usually I just keep that over on the other channel. But because I haven't done a video for so long on this channel, I thought I'd mention a few things because it's a bit of a catch-up video. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is actually show you the before and after of this welding job I did, and then yeah, I'll end the video straight after that, and I'll be along with the reveal of this moped. Video will be up quite soon on that. I'm waiting for the V5 on that to come back. I've sent for it and I'm waiting for it to come back. As soon as that come back, it's MOT and tax exempt. A bit of insurance on it. We'll get it running first. I should be able to use that. But yeah, like I said, it's a nice one. So if you watch out for that video, it will be up quite soon. So yeah, we'll get on to this welding job now. Pretty brief before and after, like I said, but you can see what I've been doing in the unit, and I can nearly hopefully get onto my own stuff soon because I'm a bit fed up not being able to get on with my own stuff. Camper first, then it'll be the Subaru because I want to use a Subaru, but we'll have to see how things go. Anyway, I'm rambling on a bit, so yeah, we'll get on to this job I did and then I'll end the video after that. So this is it. It's a Daihatsu Hi-Jet mini truck. He's done quite a lot of work on the back. He's painted it all, did a little repair over that side, little welding repair himself. He's cleaned the engine. It had a water leak there. I'll give him a hand to get it up and running, and it runs okay. It does need an airbox on it because it's running a bit high, but it's a 1.3 16 valve engine, and yeah, it runs pretty well. It's got some mini lights on it, which I think look quite good on it actually. It's a bit rough and ready at the moment, but he's got parts on order to improve it. He's painted the cab out there, and he has painted some of the front where the headlights go and where the bumper goes, just to freshen up really. We did have a bit of problem with it overheating, but I think that was down to an airlock because it seems to be fine now. He put a new alternator belt on it, new plugs in it. So it's running okay, but it's in my workshop today for me to get to work on that in there. because the floor was really rotten. He cut some of it out, and it's left to me now to sort out what's left, and I've got to try and yeah, make it good. So a little mini truck is done. I've rebuilt all of that today, all round there, done that. So it's all done now. New floor in there, all that. New outrigger piece, chassis bits all under there. I have sprayed some of this on it, which is good stuff. Expensive but good. And yeah, it leaves like a bit of a rubberized finish on it. But yeah, gonna get the axle back on it tomorrow, and it's gonna go back to the customer. It does need a bit of fill around there, but they'll do that. Initially I thought it was only rusty up to there, but then I had to put that piece in as well. And the awkward bit was getting that piece in there for the door rubber to fit round. Had to sort of go from the other side, and I think I've got it about right. It's nice and solid now. All under there is all good. Actually, I did say I've done. I haven't actually quite done. I forgot. I've just got to put a plate on there. I'll do that tomorrow. That's the last job I've got to do. Yeah, I'm pleased that it's come out. It's nice and solid now. Been a lot of work. Originally, it was just, can you do the floor? But yeah, these things escalate. I didn't think it was as bad as it was myself, but then I started to find the rot on the chassis. I always knew that was rotten there, but that took longer than I thought. These things tend to do that. And you know, you keep finding little bits and have to fit other little bits in, but nice and solid now. I'm pleased with that. No problem for MOTs. Nice and solid. I'll try to show you under here a little bit. Yeah, that was the chassis bit I did there a week or two ago now. All under there. That's had some of that Dimetrol, I think I call it, on there. It leaves a nice finish. There's the inner bit of chassis I had to do as well. And there's some red oxide, hasn't been painted over yet, but the customer's gonna do a lot of it himself, sort of tidying them bits up. So yeah, it's over to him. All up there. I had to make a piece up in there today to get that little channel for the door rubber. That was the awkward bit. This is how the other side is, like that. And I had to sort of try and copy that, but flip it, if you know what I mean, because it's the opposite side. But I think I've got it pretty close. I think that's going to be all right. I haven't tried the door on it, but I sort of had some to work with, some of the old to work with, so I know the lines were about right. So if it has to just be tapped about or whatever, you'll have to do that. But yeah, my part is done, apart from that plate I just mentioned to you. The towing eyes on, that's all on. It rained today. I thought, good, get up here, good few hours. Been on this about 5 hours today to get that bit all done round there. And yeah, I'm pleased I've done that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the video there. I don't know whether you'll see any more of this little truck. You may do, because I do see the person quite often that owns it. So we'll see how he's getting on with progress on it. He spent a lot of money on this little truck. So at least he can start getting some of his bits fitted on it now and start to get it back together. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna leave it there. So thanks for watching, and I'll be along with another video again soon. So bye for now.